If you guys have a basement or a crawl space that's in your home where you typically have to deal with your home having too much moisture, well today, man, you guys pulled up at the perfect time to the right video, because I have a piece of tech right here that is just a beast of a machine that's powerful and is energy efficient to solve the moisture problems within your home. Here's the Allure Air Galaxy 60 Dehumidifier. Let's discuss. So before we actually get too deep into the features that we're actually going to talk about in this video, like its energy efficiency and performance, or we can even talk about its automatic defrost technology, or even the internal corrosion protection. And then by far, y'all, we're going to talk about how sleek of a design as well as the ease of usability when it comes to this. But first, I want to actually show you guys everything you guys are going to get in the box whenever you guys check out the link that I'll have for you guys down in the description section below, that you guys can pick one up for yourself. Now, Allure Air is a company that's been around since 2012. So yes, they do have a lot of skin in the game. Now, they are committed to providing the best discounted prices on the market to residential as well as commercial users that are out there. Now, what I like about them after working with them for a little bit as well as using their product here, they are all about improving air quality as well as giving you quality and reliable products while offering the best solution for solving the problem of humidity control within residential, industrial, as well as commercial sectors. Basically, what I'm saying is they got you covered, all right? Now, the first thing I want to go ahead and start off talking about, now that you guys have pretty much seen everything you guys are going to get in the package whenever you guys pick up yours, let's go ahead and start off talking about the design as well as the usability of it, all right? So as you guys can see here, besides being just a powerful machine here, which we actually gonna talk about that, but design-wise, y'all, it is sleek with the modern user in mind. Now, I personally like the compact as well as ergonomic handles that you guys are getting here that you can see, and it also just makes it super easy for you guys to be able to move this, you know, around within your home as well as position it wherever you guys need it to go. If you're going to the basement, if you're going to the crawl space, or even an office building, wherever you guys want to take this, the handles, y'all, make it super easy to be able to do so. It's also CETL certified, which, if you guys are wondering, it's going to give you guys that peace of mind that it meets strict safety standards. Also, when I was using it, I noticed that it has a really easy to use as well as intuitive screen that just makes it easy to switch between your modes to be able to run the machine to exactly what you guys need it to be. Whether you guys are cleaning up after a flood or a busted pipe, or if you're like me who just likes to keep it running throughout your home, if you live in a high humidity area like I do, then the screen just makes it overall just easy to be able to see exactly what your settings are going to be able to keep things at good dry levels and balance within your space. All right, y'all, so real quick, I want to kind of go through the screen here and just kind of give you a little bit more information about it. So once you guys plug it in, you will see the unit off screen. This is basically just going to be your plugged in shutdown mode, just to give you information that is shut down. But if we want to go ahead and turn it on, we literally just press the power button here. Now, this dashboard, home screen, or humidity stat mode is going to give you a little bit of information as to kind of what's happening, right? So your first number here is going to be the degrees of what's actually in the room. So right now it is about 73 degrees in this room. And then when it comes to the middle number here, this is going to be your percentage RH, or your relative humidity. So this is going to be your actual humidity that it is reading within the room. And then we also have our GPP, or our grains per pound. And then we also have our set point here, which right now I have mine on continuous. So it's just going to continue to run regardless of what the humidity levels are. And then from here at the bottom here, this is where you guys are going to be able to get more of a status. Right now it's saying please wait until it actually completes. So it's going to go ahead and complete, and then eventually it's going to give us our status. But let's say, for example, the internal temperatures get too low, then what will happen is it will change the status to show that defrosting that we talked about. So you will see your statuses here. All right, so let's go into some of the modes here. So if we go ahead and press the mode button, this is where you're going to be able to kind of set everything or see a little bit more information. So we see here our coil temperature. So this is going to be the temperatures of the internal coils. And now this is where you guys are going to be able to change this to be either continuous dehumidifying mode, or you can actually switch this to off if you guys don't want it. And then next mode we have is our humidity control mode. So this is where if you want to switch it to the percentage relative humidity, or the grains per pound, or the GPP, you can have the option to be able to switch that as well. And then here is where you can set your humidistat set point. So this is going to be what you want the relative humidity to be that you guys will see on the home screen. And then from here you can also set your grains per pound, or that GPP value. And then here is where it's going to display everything. And again, you can see the status has updated to show that it's in that continuous dehumidifying mode. That's pretty much everything as far as walking through the screen. Just wanted to show you guys that. You also have easy access on this side door here to be able to access the filter. Overall, man, in my opinion, this bad boy is solid and it is built for it tough, all right? Now, the next thing I want to talk about and put you guys up on game, and that is one of my favorite things about this unit here, and that is its energy efficiency, man, as well as its performance. I think, y'all, it is no secret to everybody out here right now, especially during this crazy hot span of a summer that we had, dealing with increased energy prices. Like, y'all, it has been no fun. Like, I'm sure we all can relate, and our wallets and bank accounts can relate, all right? Now, this unit right here, man, is designed to quickly and effectively remove moisture completely from your home. While running, it can remove up to 145 pints per day at saturation conditions, which is really impressive. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but 145 pints is a lot, all right? It can cover areas as large as 1,800 square feet, making it perfect for my basement here, or even crawl spaces, or large rooms, or even commercial applications. Now, I'm actually going to bring this whole thing full circle here. So check this out. Remember I told y'all earlier that this system here is energy efficient. Well, the best part about it is it is also Energy Star certified. So imagine this. You're able to reduce the humidity all within your home without raising your energy bill. Listen. Sign me up, all right? Now, this next feature, man, I want to let you guys in on is the automatic defrosting technology that's built right into this system. So unlike conventional models, man, that are out there, this dehumidifier here features an automatic defrosting system where it actually uses built-in sensors that monitors the temperature. And if it notices that it's actually getting too low, the unit will automatically activate a defrosting cycle without you ever having to lift the finger and manually do anything, which is so clutch, all right? So how it actually works is the compressor pauses while the fan continues to circulate and run, melting any frost buildup before resuming normal operation. This again, man, going back to it being just an energy efficient system here, man. This saves you on energy, it prevents downtime, and most importantly, y'all, it extends the life of the unit. Solid working and just well thought out design and system. So shout out to the Allure Air team. Now, the next feature, man, that I actually want to talk about is the internal corrosion protection and why this is important, all right? So obviously, y'all, with this unit here being a device and a piece of tech that is primarily a moisture controlling piece of equipment, obviously moisture is going to be a part of this system, which if you know anything about moisture or water, it can cause corrosion on things over time. Well, listen, y'all, Allure Air, they thought of everything with it often being vulnerable to corrosion as well as freon leaks. This dehumidifier here, man, uses advanced internal corrosion protection technology. And I know you're probably sitting there, you're like, CKid, all of that sounds great and all, but what does that even mean? So basically what I'm saying is it means that the coils that are inside of here will maintain their performance for way longer than usual while resisting common issues that are typically caused by oxides, hydroxides, and sulfides, aka corrosion, ensuring that it's reliable, like I mentioned earlier in this video, and most importantly, longevity, all right? All right, what up, y'all? So I just wanted to pop in on this video here real quick just to give you guys an update. Now, I've had the Galaxy 60 here by Allure Air running for a few hours now, and I just want to show you guys just how much water it has pulled out of the air. Crazy. Now, this bucket was completely empty when I first started this, and you can see just how much water it has sucked out of the air. Super impressive. So listen, y'all, who would I say that this product here is actually for after using it for a few weeks? Now, for me, I would actually say that this is going to be for the person out there that wants to maintain a balanced, humidified home, whether it's your basement, whether it's a crawl space, or even if it's a commercial setting. This is going to be the product for you. Also, man, if you guys are someone that's out there that likes saving a few coins, knowing that you're able to dehumidify your home without raising your energy bill. Because listen, y'all, by this unit here being an Energy Star dehumidifier, y'all, meaning that it is built to be able to handle tough jobs while keeping the energy costs low. Super clutch, because I'm not giving no more money to the energy companies, all right? And even as an added bonus, y'all, it's automatic advanced defrosting system, making it so that way you don't have to worry about lifting a finger all while having that corrosion protection, so that way you can ensure that you're going to be able to use this year over year over year for a long period of time. And the last thing but not least, y'all, is that it is just a very user-friendly device that I feel like anybody can just easily set up and be able to use, making it the last dehumidifier that you'll ever need. So if that sounds like you, man, then definitely make sure you guys check out the link that I'll have for you guys down in the description section below. Again, thanks to Allure Air for sponsoring today's video. See y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.